Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. So I wanted to basically show you guys some really great at-home workouts that I've been doing for, well, years and years now, but especially during this lockdown. I found them so effective for weight loss, for just generally staying fit. I like to just work out now in the privacy of my own home. I actually enjoy exercise now, and it's all thanks to these at-home workouts. So I'm basically gonna break down the list of like my top 5 that I have been doing and I've been consistently doing, and I really enjoy it, and I think a lot of you guys will enjoy them too. So the workouts I'm talking about are actually by Jillian Michaels, and I hope you'll see something that you like that you can incorporate into your fitness routine as well. So the first one I'm going to talk about is probably her most well-known one, and it's the one I started out with back in, I think it was 2014, and it's the 30-day shred. This one I think is just ideal, and it's perfect if you're a beginner. To me, it's manageable. It will still challenge you, but it's very manageable if you're a beginner. She really explains how to get the correct exercise form, and it wasn't until I actually did these DVDs that I feel like I actually started exercising properly, because she explains to you how to get the right form, and she focuses on the fact that form is actually better than how many intervals you do. If you're maintaining perfect form and you do less sets or repetitions, that's actually better. There is 3 levels, and as you go up they do progress. She's got like strength and cardio and abs all within one workout. Doing the interval training, you actually burn more calories. So a lot of the movements are like combination movements. You work 2 muscles at a time. She likes to do small muscles with big muscles. I think you can definitely lose a lot of weight with this. Anytime I'm like starting up my fitness again, this is the first one I reach for, because I just find it's more beginner friendly. So they're only 20-minute workouts. So I did get a Fitbit as well at the start of lockdown, because I wanted to keep track of how much calories I was burning. Generally you would burn about 160 to 200 calories for the 20 minutes of exercise, which I think is actually really good. So the next one I wanted to share with you guys is, to me it's like the progression of the 30-day shred one, and that is Ripped in 30. So this one has 4 workouts. So these are 30-minute workouts. I feel that this one is a bit more challenging. There's more moves in them. This one I purchased at the start of quarantine. I had kind of rinsed the 30-day shred DVD, so I felt like I just wanted a bit more variety, but I just really loved that 30-day shred, so I wanted something of a similar format. Again, it's the same 3-2-1 interval where she does strength, cardio and abs, but I do find this one a lot more challenging, but in a good way. I like the different moves she's got in the workouts, because everything's so different. You don't ever repeat any move. So I love this one to add a bit more variety. In terms of calories, I find with this one you definitely burn a lot more calories than the 30-day shred one, but obviously it's a longer workout, and like I say, there's more moves in it. With this I can burn between 180 to like 200 calories. Sometimes I've actually burned more than that depending on how hard I'm working. But if you kind of wanted to target specific areas, she actually has got quite a lot of DVDs that cater to that too. One of my favorites is the Killer Abs DVD. So I wanted to target more specific areas. So abs was definitely one of them. So I've been doing this as well since the start of quarantine. I've actually not made it to level 3 yet in this one, but I'm on level 2 at the moment, which I absolutely love it. I actually did it like 2 days ago. Love it. Very challenging. You definitely feel the burn in your abs, and like I say, she is such a good one for explaining form, which I think is very important when you're doing ab exercises. So yeah, it's just a great targeted workout. It really just challenges you. By the time you are done, you are just dripping in sweat. So they really push you, they really challenge you. This is another great workout. They're 30-minute workouts. It's slightly different to the other 2. She does 4 circuits, and I think it's between 8 and 10 exercises a circuit, but I definitely feel my core has definitely gotten a lot stronger since using this. Great one to pick up if you're wanting to shred those abs. The next one I want to talk about, I don't actually have in DVD form. I've only got this on my Amazon Prime. It's kind of a follow-up of the Killer Abs series, and it's the Killer Body DVD. You basically get an upper body, lower body, and a core workout. But the one I absolutely love is the lower body workout. Absolutely love it. It is so challenging. It is the workout I probably burned the most calories in. So with this, I've never burned anything less than 200 calories a workout. I find it easier to work larger muscles than smaller ones. I find I can sustain a workout a lot easier. So I love the lower body workout. You can get that on Prime, and that's actually the only place I've got it. Again, I purchased this one in quarantine just to add a bit more variety to my workouts, and again to kind of target a more specific area. Next up, it's 2 DVDs, but I'm gonna talk about them in one. So it's called 10-Minute Body Transformation, and she's got edition 1 and edition 2. I bought both, and I bought them on Prime. So the 10-Minute Body Transformations are great because they're 10-minute workouts. In each DVD you've got 5 of them, and they all kind of do different things. They're perfect if you want to kind of create your own customized workouts and just target specific areas or do specific workouts on certain days. They're also great for variety, so you can do them however and whenever you want, which I quite like. So it gives you a lot of flexibility on how you work out and what you do. One thing I will say is they are all super high intensity. It's like 10 minutes of pure sweating and potential swearing. If you're only going to do a 10-minute workout, you need to kind of make it count. So I see why they are so intense. Absolutely love both editions. In edition 1, you've got calisthenics, kickbox blast, booty boot camp, Pilates power, and cardio burn. Without a doubt, my favorite in this one is the booty boot camp. That one is amazing. It's so intense, but you just feel the burn, and it's really, really good. The cardio burn one is excellent, but like I say, it's very intense. My heart feels like it's gonna come out of my chest when I do that one, but I love it. Those would be my top ones in edition 1. And in edition 2, she's got a HIIT/plyo workout, hardcore animal style lift, and then yoga, stretch, and strengthen. The ones I do literally all the time are hardcore and lift, because I am big into weight training, and I'm also obviously big into trying to build my core just now. The 10-Minute Body Transformation edition 1 and 2, brilliant, love them both. Right then, I hope you found that useful. So I hope you've seen something in this that you like, something that you want to try. They're so highly rated. I highly recommend you give them a go. I definitely felt like I wanted to share this with everyone, especially now that we're all kind of stuck at home and we can't get to the gym as much. These are great alternatives. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone else that you think might find this useful, or if anyone else that you know is looking for at-home workouts. But that is all from me today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.